This is your hour-a-day plan for attracting the right kind of clients for your freelance copywriting business. I'm Christa Nichols. I'm a freelance copywriter who's generated more than $1.5 million for her family in the last 6 years. Here's what I would do if I was just getting started and I only had 1 hour a day to put myself out there and start attracting clients. Day one, I'd optimize my social media profiles to talk about what I do, who I serve, and what kind of results I get them. I'd make sure that my pictures were clear and attractive, that I had a booking link, and that people could easily tell immediately exactly how to connect with me. Day two, I would join Facebook and LinkedIn groups. I would think about the ideal type of person that I wanted to write for, go join a bunch of groups where those types of people are hanging out. I would also pay attention to the group rules. The last thing you want to do is get kicked out right away for not obeying the group rules. Day three, I would create some value-based post for my own personal account and business page. That way, when people came to me, they would be able to tell that I was active and they would be able to see what I do and see examples of my expertise. I would make sure that the posts give tips, value, things that my ideal type of clients would really be interested in. Day four, I'd spend an hour being active in groups. I would look at what type of group it is and create posts that would give value based on what the group members might need. Remember, it's very rare to find a group where they'll let you drop a link. So this is straight value, straight give. In day five, I would go back to those posts and follow up with any engagement, comments, likes. I would make sure that I start friending those people who are interacting with my content. You're building a warm audience of people who know what you do now, and it will start to see you as an expert in copywriting. As people start reaching out and commenting, that's your open door to head over and check out their content and interact with it. You become a familiar face, somebody that they have a positive association with. And it's also your open door to shoot out a DM to see if there's anything they need help with when it comes to their copy. Instead of sending out cold DMs where the person doesn't know you and things just go into the messages request folder and they never see it, you've done the groundwork to make yourself a familiar face who offers value. Now spend an hour each day repeating days 3, 4, and 5, posting value in your own spaces, getting active in Facebook groups and give, and then interacting and following up with the engagement that comes. Follow me for more tips for getting started attracting, landing, and serving freelance copywriting clients.